Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sulaiman. Our today's topic is artificial intelligence shaping tomorrow. Artificial intelligence AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work, influencing various aspects of our daily lives. From virtual assistants to personalized recommendations, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing are experiencing significant transformations through AI, leading to increased productivity and innovation. Despite its advancements, AI presents challenges including ethical concerns, bias in algorithms, and the potential impact on employment. AI is reshaping the job market and creating new opportunities, but it is also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for upskilling. Contrary to fears of AI replacing human creativity, it serves as a powerful tool for artists, designers, and content creators, opening new avenues for expressions. As AI continues to evolve, emerging trends include more sophisticated machine learning algorithms, improved natural language processing, and increased automation. Looking ahead, the impact of AI on the future is immense, shaping a world where technology complements human abilities, fostering innovation, and addressing global challenges. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.